In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram not letting you log in. Now let's say when you're trying to log into your Instagram, it says error. And all you have to do to fix it is to run an internet speed test. So you just have to go to your Chrome or your Safari, search for internet speed test. You just have to run that speed test on you and see how strong your internet is. This will take some time. You must connect to a strong internet in order for you to log into your Instagram account. If that still doesn't work, all you have to do is to go to your settings, search for apps, and then click on apps again, and search for Instagram. Now click on Instagram, and then tap on storage. All you have to do now is to clear cache. This will allow Instagram to restart its course of program all over again. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!